parents and students biology. Here's the breakdown of the test that was last week. It's been up on Unweb. I passed them test back on passed them back on Friday. Only had 5 A's, 4 B's, 1 C, 6 D's, and 6 F's. I told students this is one of the harder tests of the year, not to blow this one off. And I actually curved this a little bit. So basically what I did was it was out of 48 points. I curved it 3 points, and then I adjusted it to make it worth only 35 points. So I took this percentage and I multiplied it by 35, and that was a high grade, but you can't make over 100% on any test, so the high grade was 100. So that's basically how I did this. So I curved it 3 points because it was a difficult test, but I'm allowing students also that scored in this D and F range to retake their test, and the max grade they can make on that is the lowest C possible, which is a 78%. So then what they can do to retake that is they need to come in, they can look and see what they missed, they can ask questions, and then they're going to retake the exam, and the retake is on Moodle, and they'll retake that exam, and then they will get feedback of what they got when they retake it to know if they did better or worse. I won't make a student's grade worse if they're trying to make their grade better, but remember the max grade is the lowest C possible. So that's for retakes on that Chem of Bio exam. Okay, that was a difficult exam, so your son or daughter has until this Friday to do that. So I would recommend them not just coming in on Friday, try to do it all at once. Maybe come in Monday, maybe come in Tuesday, see what they missed, talk to me, maybe go home and study, and then come back and retake the exam. Okay. We're also going to be doing this week, I'm passing some stuff out on Monday. I'm going to be passing out, where is that? Well, of course it did that real fast. I'm going to be working with microscopes, so they should have this week, and they're going to say they're microscope parts. So these are, one is blank and one is it doesn't have any labels on it. One actually has labels on it, so this is the stuff they are responsible for on this. And there'll be a quiz over this on Tuesday. I'll review stuff with students on Monday, but they'll have a quiz over that on Tuesday. Also, we're going to be doing a lab on Thursday, and there's a microscope agreement that I'm going to pass out to them on Monday also. I need this in ASAP. They cannot be in the laboratory. They can't touch a microscope until this is taken care of, and they've taken this and they've taken that quiz over the microscope parts. So if they don't have this done, they can't take it. This is just basically, if I break it, I will buy the microscope. Something we're required to do. If your son or daughter hasn't taken 7.1 Review Practice 1, they need to make sure they've done that. And also, finally, I think on Friday we're going to have a organelle quiz over all the different organelles that we're going to study this week. Basically, we're going to study on Monday and Tuesday. So in summation, retakes due Friday. There's a microscope quiz on Tuesday. Hopefully that's pretty easy. Students typically do well on that as long as they study. Organelle quiz on a Friday of this week. Okay, so I hope that helps, and have a good week.